Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and I really just wanted to come in here real quickly and wrap up the Arcane Fiberworks review series that I had been working on. Unfortunately, at this time, Arcane Fiberworks has decided to cancel the mystery monthly subscription box, so we will not be able to continue that review series. I did receive 2 months worth of yarn, and I do have one finished object from December's box to share with you guys. I had let you know that the original email I had received was that there were supply chain issues and that they were not going to have enough time to get February's box out. Unfortunately, they have now made the decision because of geopolitical concerns on their end, being a Canadian company, that they are not going to continue the subscription box at this time. So this is not the forum to discuss politics. This is strictly a yarn forum. I did want to let you guys know that there will not be a continuation of this review series, though. I did really love their yarn. I have purchased from them on my own, separate from this subscription box review series. I really love the yarn. I love the way it feels. I love the colors that they dye in, and I love the way that they do their pictures. When you click on the yarn, you can look at the inspo picture, the project, the yarn knitted up into just some stockinette stitch, as well as seeing the yarn in the hank. So as far as their online shopping experience, it's an excellent experience if you just want to go and purchase yarn. Also, one of the things that seems to be very unique to Arcane Fiberworks when it comes to their website is when you click on one of their variegated multicolored yarns, they do give recommendations for yarns to pair with it. So it makes the experience very streamlined ordering from them. If you are not comfortable in pairing colors and picking colors to extend a project, like if you want a, a variegated sweater, but you wanted a solid, collar, cuffs, and bottom hem of your sweater, they have suggestions there that you can pair your yarns together with. So as far as ordering from them, they are still shipping to the US. They're just not doing the monthly mystery box. And as a US subscriber, I unfortunately cannot receive that box anymore. So I would recommend, if you liked what you had seen during the 2 unboxings that I did and the 1 finished project, I would definitely recommend ordering from them. They are very quick shipping to the US so far, and that was during the my last 2 orders have been during the postal strike in Canada. So I've had wonderful experiences working with their yarn and ordering from their website directly. I find their prices to be fairly reasonably priced shipping to the US. So, yeah, I know this is a very, very quick video, but I did just kind of want to wrap up my final thoughts and feelings as best as I could for this review series. We do already have a new subscription box ordered. I ordered the Simply Sock Yarn box from simplysockyarn.com or simplysock.com. I will leave them linked in the description box, as well as Arcane Fiberworks. They offer a quarterly subscription box. So we do have the second quarter, March, April, May subscription box with them. So it will be a lot of socks for this spring. And I'm looking forward to that because I am enjoying making socks once again. And I've been kind of on a kick and a roll. If you saw my show and tell last week, where I ended up with 4 sock projects going at once, obviously I'm enjoying making socks. So I do hate to have to cut the subscription box review short. I was really enjoying working with the yarn. I was really enjoying the projects that I've made with it, but things are what they are, and I can't begrudge a business for making the decisions that they have to make. Is something like this is planned and prepped for weeks in advance before it ships to their customers. If they feel insecure in what is going to happen, then that is 100% their decision, and I have to respect that. So I love you guys. I hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day. As always, I look forward to seeing you real soon. Bye, guys.